Hello everyone and welcome to our Facebook page. Today we will demonstrate how to make different crafts using paper by just folding it, cutting it and pasting it. You can see at first we are making a rat with the red paper. We are giving some folds to it and you can see we are making the tail, and now we will make the face. Again we are using a red paper to make a caterpillar. You can see how we are folding it. After folding we will cut it from both the sides and the caterpillar is ready after making the face. Next again here we are using a graphic paper, a beautiful graphic paper to make a swan. You can see we have made the face of the swan and the feather. Now again we will make a crab from the paper. Here we are using a blue paper. You can use red or any color paper to make the crab. So at first we are starting with folding the paper and your crab is ready now. Next again we will make some butterflies with the small piece of paper. By just folding it, you can see how we are folding it and giving it a triangular shape, and after giving the shape we will cut it and you can see the feathers of the butterfly is ready and the butterfly is completed. Now we will make a fish out of paper. We are using a blue paper and we are giving some cuts at the bottom to make the tail of the fish, and we will tie it with each other. You can see how we are adding the texture and the eyes, and your fish is ready. Now again we will make a fish, but a different kind of fish with the paper. After giving some folds to it, now we will make the wings of the fish and of course the face, and we will add eyes to it and we will add the texture, and your fish is ready. So again we are using a green paper to make a frog. You can see one of it is kept on the table. So we are making the body of the frog. Now we'll make the eyes and we'll paste the eyes and the tongue, and your frog is ready. And now we will use a blue paper to make a different kind of fish. This is easy, I guess. So we are folding it, and after giving some folds we will again give some other folds to it to make the fish complete, and you can see your fish is ready. We will add eyes to it and your fish is ready to swim. So again we are making a butterfly from the paper, and this is my favorite butterfly in this video. You can see how beautiful it is looking. One is kept on the table. We'll make the same with the paper. So we have made the wings of the butterfly and we'll add texture to it, and now you can see the wings are ready after adding the texture, and this is the body and your butterfly is completed. Thank you very much for watching the video.